to show you how to create a code to use for scanning on a link to your reviews and a link to your YouTube channel to give out on business cards and other flyers and whatnot. Essentially, go to Google, type in QR code generator, hit enter. I like this one. It's pretty simple. They have ways to track it so that you can see how each code is working and everything. I'm not going to dive that deep into it. If people want to do that, feel free to dive more into it, or you can reach out to me. So to get the link for your review, because everybody knows that reviews are super important. They not only help your ranking, but they gain a lot of trust with customers. So you just go into your Google My Business, type in your, should be logged into your account that you're either the owner or a manager of it. Type in the name of your business, or you can type in My Business, and it's still going to show up right down here. And you just go down here, get your first review, copy it, go back over to here, Control V to paste it, and then all you should have to do, you can select what style you want. Some of them you have to actually sign in for. You can have a Facebook link, all these different options with these guys. We're just going to do a generic one. And I want to upgrade. We're just going to do the one that doesn't cost money. Downloads it as a PNG right in your downloads. I've got my business card here. All I got to do, click on uploads. Oops. Upload file. It should be right in your downloads. That's right there. And you can bring it over, scale it. There it is. So that's the back of my new business card. This is what my business card looks like right now. I'm just going to update it here. And I use Canva. You can get there. It's really great. Just type in Canva. Type in business card. They have a free version and a pro version. To do this, you don't need to get the pro version. It's pretty nice. I just click right on create a blank one, and then gives you a blank slate and a ton of different templates that you can use. Really awesome. So that's essentially how you do it. Leave a like on the video and let me know if you have any questions. Throw a comment on if you want to see a video on anything in the future. Have a great day.